Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Facebook verification code problem. The first and foremost thing that you can try is switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and also toggling airplane mode on and off on your device to make sure that this is not a connection issue. The other thing that you can try is head over to settings on your device, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, and then in the search bar simply type in Facebook, tap on storage and cache, and then clear this cache of Facebook and try again. If the problem still persists, check your messages, tap on your profile, check spam and block folder. If you're trying to log in with your email, do the same for your email, tap on the Gmail app or an email app of your choice that you are signed up to Facebook with, and then you must head over to your inbox, tap on the three lines at the top left of your screen, tap on spam, and check if your verification code has landed here. The other thing that you can try and do is completely uninstall Facebook from your device by long pressing on it, hitting uninstall, and reinstalling it on your device. If you have tried to get the verification code too many times, you must also wait for the cooldown. And if it still does not work, you can try on a web browser or a PC. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.